Hi guys, another day on Tutorials Ghana, and today we are going to learn how to make money with Nationton Republic. Here are some screenshots of money which I made with Nationton Republic. Let's start now. So guys, let's jump in. You open your web browser and you visit www.nationtonr.com. After visiting, you go to register. There we go. So here you enter your first name, last name, username or nickname, phone number, email address. Then you confirm it here. Username of who invited you. If no one invited you, there's no need for you to enter anything. So after filling this, you come here, you follow the steps below. That's a step 1. Please send membership fee of 10 Ghana cedis from your phone to our numbers. MTN users *170 hash to pay the 10 Ghana cedis to 054 856 1520, and Airtel Tigo users with *110 hash to pay to the following number, and Vodafone users will do same. So the step 2 says you will receive the usual mobile money SMS message from your network provider. Step 3, look into the SMS message. Copy the transaction ID. So you copy the transaction ID of the payment you made to the following numbers, so that you paste it at where they said enter transaction ID. Then you enter your password and confirm password. So you click on I understand and accept terms and conditions, privacy policy, and the affiliate program policy. They click on create account. So this I'm going to try. I already have account. So tutorials Ghana. Username. Let me use T Ghana. Then phone number. Okay, let me use as my phone number. I'll enter my email. But some of you have at gmail.com. Yeah, it is also an email. Others don't know it's an email. Then you confirm it here. Then the person who invited you enter. And if you are using a link, that username of who invited you is going to be inserted automatically. So after filling this, you wait for a couple of minutes or some hours for them to confirm and give you a confirmation at your email. So after that, you are going to get a pop-up like this. There we go. So here is a dashboard. What you need to do here is copy your referral link. This is the referral link. This is my referral link. Yeah, so guys, you can see total approved is the 90 Ghana cedis, and newly earned is 108 Ghana cedis. Yeah, so you copy the referral link so that you share to your friends, family, and everybody. You can share it on your WhatsApp, Facebook, and all social media networks. So if they join, we are going to get 9 Ghana cedi per person who join using your referral link. The website link is going to be pasted in the video description. So if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And if you don't understand anything, kindly drop it at the comment section. Thank you.